Yeah, it's about feeding time, isn't it, boys? Stop chewing on your brother. Yeah, that wasn't smart. You knew that wire was there. I'll give you guys a little bit of water here for your waller for when it gets hot later today. You got a fly on your back again. They don't seem to mind getting sprayed either for some reason. Yep. Morning chores. Look at this guy. He likes to drink right out of the hose. That nose hurts, doesn't it? Stings a little bit. You knew the wire was there. What did you do that for? So you guys will have a little something to waller in later. It gets hot. Make sure there's a nice puddle of mud for you. There, we've used up all the old water out of the hose. Or I can fill up your watering bucket with fresh water, which is a good thing. Old hose water sometimes has chemicals in it that don't want them to drink. Of course, every time I fill the water thing up, they think they have to take a nice fresh drink. What are you doing, Bacon? Brother Sausage in the brightest bowl busy, huh? No. No, he's not. He got zapped by that wire, and he got zapped good. And he knows it's there. We're going to fight over getting a drink. They're getting big. They're getting big. I'm guessing around 175, give or take. Hard to say for sure. Need a little over a gallon of food a day. 2 pigs. They don't look like they've lost any weight. They don't look like they're starving. But they're not fat either. It gets down towards the end, I'm going to give them more food to put some fat on them. But right now I'm just trying to grow them. And they got all that out there to root up and eat. And they've been doing that too. They've been rooting it up and eating it. You can see they're clearing it out little by little. I actually expected it to be cleared out a lot more than it is, to be honest with you, but they're getting her done. After this pen is empty, I'm going to come in here this winter or early next spring, get all the big chunks of wood out of here and back in here with the tractor and the bush hog all this, mow it down. It'll grow up fresh with new greens for the next batch. And I'll probably name them Bacon and Sausage too. You know about that. $30-gallon tank. And they play in it more than anything. Fills up their little water hole here that runs over here. Doesn't look like they've been laying in it much. It hasn't been all that hot. It's been getting up to the upper 80s in the afternoon, but only for a few hours, and then it cools back down. Let's fight over some water some more. It's all part of having pigs. Feed them, water them, watch them fight. They always fight. Water's about full. Put a little cap back on it. I'm gonna go out and let the chickens out and give them a little food. Then we'll come back and throw some feed into the pigs. What's up with you chickies? Like we are ready to get out and run. That's what's up with us. They're like, come on, man, let us out. You're going to need to start eating up some of these flies. Wait a minute. Let's dump it in here for today. That's the old-fashioned way because I have to do it one-handed. Rinse, dump, fill. Well, you guys aren't running outside. Usually this is the part where you run out the door. You gonna crow for me today? You were crowing like crazy the other day, both of you was. Like having a crowing contest. Now nobody's crowing. Now nobody's crowing. Very nice fresh water taken care of. Can't believe you guys ain't running out the door. Usually that's what you do. Oh, there they come. There they come. Now they're like, okay, we'll run out the door now. We don't run out the door now. Releasing the chickens. Yep. For some reason they prefer the woods over the grass. They always go back there first. Okay, so we'll pull our hose back so we don't forget it. When you get old, you remember to do things like this. Set the hose down where you have to almost trip over it, and you don't forget it. Open it up, come in here. Always looking around for eggs. It's getting about that time. They should be having eggs before long. Where's some? Fill up their feeder. I got this thing a little too full. It's running over the sides. There we are. Eggs. Fill up. That's full. Feed. Cap back on. Hit it a couple times to make sure it's not going to fall down and kill another chicken, because I think that's what happened. Let's see if we got any eggs in here. No eggs, but it does look like somebody's been roosting in the box, laying in the boxes. Or at least they're coming up checking them out. That's good. So getting a good snap on the fence, of course we know that. What are you guys doing? Coming around this side, huh? Coming around over here in the shorter grass? Yeah. Pick up the hose. Yep, now it's your turn, piggies. Now it's your turn. You guys know it's feeding time, don't you? Watch them, watch them. As soon as I hang up this hose, Yep. Like, okay, it's our turn. Yep, there they go. Like, oh goody, it's our turn. It's our turn. It's our turn. Set that there. This up. All the beautiful flowers here. I love morning glories. I love morning glories. And they'll seed this whole thing to be full of morning glories next year until the pigs get big enough to eat them. You guys hungry? Huh? You guys hungry? Huh? Yeah? They look hungry. Well, that means they're hungry when they start banging their doors. Come on, man. Ready? Okay. And that's about the end of the show because they just sit there with their head in the hole for half an hour and eat it all. Something I am going to do, we'll get that big old fly off of bacon. Got him. Yeah. Yep. He's as good as gone. He flew away, but he's as good as gone. So what are we going to do with the rest of the day? I don't know. Something might be wrong with that tree. It's losing its leaves a lot earlier than it should be. And they're not turning colors, they're just turning brown and falling off. The drought might have done him in. The tree's been there a long time. I don't know. We won't know until next year. If you don't come back next year. As you can see up there, been working on the room. My computer died, so we're going to have to wait a couple of days till I can get the new computer and the software downloaded and installed, and I can put that video together because it's in pieces. But thank you so much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. I know this is kind of a long one, but it's a morning routine every day. This is what I do. I come out and I give the hogs their water, give the chickens their water, feed the chickens, come back, feed the pigs. Every morning. In the evening, it's just the opposite. We come out here and we feed the pigs first, and then we go out and put the chickens away. That's the way it goes. And from here, that over there is probably the best view I've got of the Ozark Mountains. You can see a lot more in the winter time when there's no leaves on the trees, but yep. Peaceful, serene place when the pigs aren't eating. Thanks again.